Hi student, today start the general characters of the algae. The first point is they are the usually aquatic forms. The all species of the algae, mostly all are aquatic forms. In the aquatic forms, again there are two types form. One is marine and another one is freshwater. In the aquatic, there are the two forms. One is marine and the another is freshwater. Marine means that is the ocean, sea. In the saltness, in that water saltness is more. That is the marine form. The some algae are also present in the marine and some are freshwater. Marine, that is the ocean, and fresh is example is pond, lake, river, etc. That is the freshwater forms. In these places also algae are present. In the lake, in the river, pond, say the water body, surface of the water, the green bed-like structure formed. That is the algae. Next point, some of the algae are also found in the terrestrial. Some are also present in the terrestrial. Only some species are there. That is the terrestrial. Terrestrial is some algae are also present in the inside the soil or outside the surface of the soil, and some are also present on the attached to the stone, in the building walls, in the roadside. That is the terrestrial form. And subterranean and epiphytic or epiphytic forms. Epiphytic forms means they are also present in the animal body. Algae are attached to the animal body, or some algae are also occurrence on the plant trunk. That is the epiphytic forms. And next point, the thallus of algae shows great degree, size and form. The thallus structure of the algae, that is very size is there, variations are there, many size are formed and forms. Structure also difference are there, different structures are formed. The next point is meaning of thallus. Undifferentiated plant body is known as thallus. Thallus meaning, thallus definition, undifferentiated plant body is known as thallus. Undifferentiated plant body. Algae are thalloid body or thallophytes. Thallus is undifferentiated means the three parts are absent in the algae. What are absent? Undifferentiated. True root is absent in the algae, and another is stem also absent in algae, and another is leaves also absent in algae. These three parts are absent in the algae. So algae are thallus body or thallophytes or thalloid plant body. These three parts are absent in the algae. Next, algae are autotrophic in nature. Autotrophic means the algae are prepared the old food, so it is called autotrophic in nature. All plants are autotrophic in nature. Next point, their reserve food material is starch. The algae are food are stored in the form of starch. And next point, no embryo formation in the algae. No embryo is formed after the gametes are fusion. But in the higher plants, in the mango, coconut, etc., in that plants, the embryo is formed after the gamete fusion. But in the algae, no embryo formation. Next point, algae either unicellular or multicellular. Some algae are unicellular and some algae are multicellular in nature. Next point, cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall of the algae, that is made up of the cellulose. Cellulose, it is the organic organic compound. It is the organic compound. It is the cellulose. Next point, algae reproduce by vegetative, asexual and sexual method. Algae always it is reproduced by three types. One is vegetative, asexual and sexual. Vegetative forms. How it is reproduced by vegetative? I'll tell you example. Some algae are produced by vegetative. Vegetative means fragmentation. In the form of fragmentation. Fragmentation means the broken down of algae body. If that broken body, it gives the new plant. That is the fragmentation in the vegetative form. And asexual by spores. Algae are reproduced by spores. That is the asexual method. Asexual, it is without fusion of gametes. That is the asexual. Next, another is sexual method. Sexual method means two gametes fusion take place. That is the sexual. After the gametes fusion, it gives the new plant. Next point, algae are chlorophyll bearing. Algae are chlorophyll bearing. So it is photosynthesis process take place in the algae. So it is chlorophyll present. Why is the chlorophyll? Why does it help? It is produce the own food in the processing of photosynthesis by using light and carbon dioxide. Produce the food. The next point is algae association with fungi and it is from the lichen. Lichen also an organism. Lichen means algae association with, it is present with fungi, and this is one organism and this is another organism, and both organism gives the new organism, that is lichens. Algae it is autotrophic. It is autotrophic. Fungi it is heterotrophic. It is heterotrophic. Both are combined and gives the new organism, that is the lichen. This is overall the general characters of the algae, and in next class we will start with pigmentation. Okay, thank you.